Everyone in the world is different. We all have our own perspective. We've all experienced different things. Our lives are all a different journey, which is what makes our world so special. No matter who we are, our imaginations and creativity inspire others. We've all learned different skills from the arts to engineering. In the world of AV, we each bring a breadth of skills and experiences to enable others to deliver their message. But we are not all the same. Some of us are skilled in systems, others in the code that makes things work. From the inventors of AV control, AMX MUSE opens the industry with a new platform to deliver AV control that works for everyone and brings us all together, inspiring your creativity. Site engineers can use a low-code, no-code environment, and seasoned programmers can develop in the language of their choice. All of this can happen simultaneously. Collaborative working using a variety of skill sets, from a single room to a whole campus, all running on AMX's legendary reliable and super secure hardware, 10 times faster than the previous generation. AMX MUSE enables you to work the way you want. It's your control, your way.